Okay, today we are working on a booth layout featuring the A-frames. We do have a 4-foot table and a 6-foot table. We are doing a 9 by 9. Our original booth is a 4-foot table and a 6-foot table for an L-shaped layout. First up, we have a 6-foot table and the A-frame right next to it. That would essentially just be replacing the 4-foot table with the 2 A-frames. Now you have the 4-foot table with the 2 A-frames next to it. I did kind of play around with the A-frames back to back, but I didn't necessarily like it. I really did like this diagonal booth layout. If you have an end cap booth, you can see here that both the 6-foot and the 4-foot table fit in that layout. Here's just 2 A-frames back with the 4-foot and the 6-foot table. One thing to keep in mind when designing a booth is how your user is going to interact with your product. Comparing the storage space between the Dola and the A-frame. The A-frame is 5 tiers and has an open shelving at the bottom. The Dola has a closed section at the bottom with 3 tiers. It's interchangeable. They can go back to back, and they both pack flat. Now at the Pure kiosks, don't forget that they can replace your 4 and 6-foot tables, and they have a beautiful wrap with back storage. So instead of your booth looking like this, you can replace it with the Pure kiosk and get a little bit of variation in your displays and really just stand out. I like the Pure collection because you've got the variation in level and width, and so you can have your point of purchase displays here, call out your seasonal stuff, and then all of your personal belongings and checkouts because there is an adjustable shelf in the back. Let us know what you think in the comments. This is a 9 by 9 booth.